Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how you can add one background image to your section. As you can see that here this is in this section we have a background image here. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can add that background image to your section in WordPress using Elementor. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So first of all, let's again go back to our WordPress dashboard, and here what I will do, I will click on this edit with Elementor to load my Elementor page builder. So I want to add a background image to this section. So what I will do to add a background image, I have to click on this 6 dots and go to the section setting, and here in this section setting you will get a style tab. So once you will click on this style tab, there are two options like background and background overlay. So if you want to add any background image or anything, you have to select this background, and then background type you can set it as slideshow, or you can set the in background video. You can set a gradient color if you want. A gradient means a mixture of two color. If you want two colors in your background, you can set it like this. This is your gradient color. You can see we have a mixture of two colors over here. Or if you want a single background type, you can do that one. So here I have selected the background type as classic, and now I have to select an image. So what I will do, I will click on this choose image, and then whatever image you want to keep you can. So I have uploaded one background image, and then I will click on insert media. So for your you can able to visible. So what I will do, I will increase the its heights to fit to screen so that it will visible to you properly. Now you can see it is visible to you properly. So what I will do now, I will again go to the style tab, and you can set the position or different settings. Like position you can make it center, size if you want to make, if you can make it content, then it will show the size of the content area. And then repeat you can set it as no repeat. So here you can see I have set it as no repeat, and it is in content section. That's why we are getting that background color. But here in size, if you will make it cover, then it will cover the entire section every time. And then attachment, it should be default. Now let me click on update. So with this you got an idea of how you can add image or a background image to your section in WordPress using Elementor. So thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. Thank you so much.